Hi friends, new and old, and welcome back to the channel. It's your friend Chip, and today we're taking a look at some more My Little Pony figures coming out of China, and this one is a G4 product. We're seeing these come from, and I think this is KAYOU, but I'm not positive on that, but this is the same company that did the trading cards we looked at before. And this is a set of figures. You can see them here. We have Celestia and Luna. This is Cadence, I believe. And this is that, one Guardian. And then we have Twilight and Rainbow Dash. There's some more figures to these. This is definitely not all of them. There's a giant Celestia in a couple different colors. We've got some Pony Life figures. There's definitely some other options. So I'm looking at those. We're going to take a look at these and see if the other ones are necessities or not. But I do plan on checking all of them out. I love the cover of this. It's nice to return to a G4 product. We've got so many cool ones coming out of AliExpress, and I want to check out some of the cool little plushies that are coming out. So these look like they come with some kind of stamp card with them. We'll take a look and see what that is. I can't remember how much this was, but it was something like probably $40 to $50. Most of these things, when you buy the whole case, you buy the whole set, those kind of things, you're looking at between $30 to $50, sometimes even up to $60 depending on what it is. All right, let's see. This should just lift up. There we go. Oh, there's a book in here. All right. Let's see. Friendship is magic. A little booklet. So we'll have to take a look at that. Wow. Okay. There's quite a few in here. They're a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in the box. And it looks like this just pops out. It goes like that. Just get that perforation to start. There we go. There we go. There's the open display. Really cool. I did some Google Translate and this says something about shining cloud. I didn't see much of anything else on here. It had a little bit about like Sun Princess, Moon Princess, things like that, but nothing else that we could really pull out of it. So I'm not sure what they're called other than possibly shining clouds. Really cool. Here's the box. It's got that little symbol. Celestia. You can see the options right here on the side. Oh wow, so there's some other options over here. Not pictured on the back of the box. So, gosh, they're so small. Some of them are hard to tell. Looks like Flurry Heart, Chrysalis, Applejack, Twilight, Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, Rarity, another Applejack, a Fluttershy. That could be Cheerily, Spike, I'm not sure. But we'll find out because we're going to be opening these, and if there's 12 of them, I wonder what we're going to get. I wonder if these are like the specialty ones. I mean, some of these have those little like rare marks on them too, so interested to see what we find. Wings on top. All right. let's move this over here. Slide in our display shelf so we'll be able to see everybody. And let's start opening one of these and see what we got. Let's find out what these are. I've been curious to find out what they are since I started seeing images of them. So here's the figure and maybe a collector's guide. And this is our card. Ooh, really pretty. It's really thin. Okay. Nope, it's a scissors. Alright, so there's the figure. It's a little white Twilight Sparkle. With our cutie marks right on there. It is on both sides. Really nice. Can you guys see that a little bit better there? How cute! And she's rubbery, like flexible? Not eraser rubbery, but definitely like a little rubbery figure. I kind of wish she was painted. I wonder why there are all these flat colors. And then here is the stamp, Twilight Sparkle. Really pretty. On the back, 2004 Hasbro, all rights reserved. Pretty cool. I don't think it'll stand like super duper awesome with the character or not. I thought maybe they came as stands. Okay, so we're going to get a better idea of what we're looking at here. We have a Celestia and a Luna. Then we have a special Cadence, a special Mistmane, Rainbow Dash, and Twilight Sparkle. And then we have a couple different colors of Fluttershy. Same thing with Rarity. No, this is Starlight Glimmer. Maybe this is color change? Those are color change options? Looks like this might be the same thing for Chrysalis and the same thing for Flurry Heart. And then over here, this just looks like there's different color variations. You can get different colors of Twilight, Rainbow Dash, Pinkie Pie, and Applejack. On the other side, we've got another set of Fluttershy, Rarity, looks like Apple Bloom and Scootaloo and Sweetie Belle are in here. We've got Bonbon or Sweetie Drops. We've got Diamond Tiara, Spitfire, Spike, and Shining Armor. That's cool. And then we do have over here these guys again, so we have the iteration of the different extra ones. Really cool. So there's quite a few different ones in this to collect. I'm interested to see what we get because there's definitely more than what's in the box. Oh yeah, here's that giant book that came with it. FriendCHIpismagic, 2484, maybe like 24 characters, 84 variations. Oh cool, look at the little artwork. So there's different like star ratings, maybe different types that they are. Okay, a little bit bigger artwork and pictures of the different figures. Find the magic. I think, yeah, these might be like color changing. All the different figures. I really hope I get a shining armor. I think that would be cool. Oh, and then here's all the different like stamps. Really cool. I like that book. Alright. We gotta keep looking and see what we find here. So we're gonna pull out the figure first so we don't see the card. And this time it's Spike. Look at this Spike. So he's got blue glitter in him. And he's a clear, like, teal color. He's on a cloud. He's got wings. He looks angry. He's really cool. Neat. And here is Spike's stamp. See if we can't set that up behind him. There we go. Alright, Twilight and Spike. That's pretty good. Oh, man. Alright, so the stamps aren't going to stay. We're just going to slide them under here. This one is Scootaloo. On her scooter. She doesn't have her cutie mark yet. Her little wings and her helmet. Oh. I love that we have other characters besides the same ones all the time. And here is Scootaloo's stamp. These are fun. They're kind of like stamp stickers. There we go. I'm not sure. It might be Pinkie Pie. Nope, I think it's Diamond Tiara. She's clear blue with blue glitter, like bluish purple glitter, standing on a diamond with her crown. She's cool. I don't think I have anything of Diamond Tiara. And there's her little stamp sticker. She looks so sad. Next one. Be a shining armor. Shining armor. Nope. I think it's Applejack. I hope we get one of these special ones. Look at this Applejack. She's got balloons and apples in a basket. And she has her hat. Cutie mark's visible there, but it's covered up by the basket there. Oh, cool. And I like that she's at least her own color, like the orange. They're cute. They're cute little, like, rubbery figures. And here's Applejack. That's a cute one of Applejack. I am kind of wanting Starlight Glimmer too. I do love me some Starlight Glimmer. Alright, that's just all gonna come out. Rarity? Yeah, this is Rarity. And she's got like a yellow color with purpley blue glitter in her. It looks like she's on a carpet. Like a flying carpet. She's fun. And here's her card. And yeah, it looks like she's on a flying carpet. Maybe just on a roll of fabric she's unrolling. I don't know. That's an interesting one. Let's see. We gotta get somebody really good. You know, we bought a whole box. There's gotta be somebody crazy in here. Oh, this looks like Bonbon. Let's see. Yeah, this is Bonbon or Sweetie Drops. She's got glasses and an umbrella. It's a pretty cool one. There we go. There's her card. I wondered if it was part of her, like, being a spy kind of thing. Very cool. It's nice. It's nice to see some background characters. And out of here, we've only got Twilight, Applejack, and Rarity. So we only have 3 of the main 6, which is nice. Ooh, who could it be? Oh, not sure. Somebody with wings. Oh, I think it's Fluttershy. Fluttershy and Angel? Oh, that's so cute. Just sitting on a cloud, holding her bunny. Aww. I like that she came in yellow too. And here's her card. She's so sweet. So many people that like aren't huge My Little Pony fans, but you know, they'll like it enough to say, oh, this is a favorite character kind of thing. A lot of them are Fluttershy. A lot of people love Fluttershy. I think that's another diamond tiara. Yeah, this is a different version of diamond tiara. This one is in pink. You can see her expression a little bit more that she's sad. Well, that means we're not going to get completely different characters for each one, but we do have a variation of one, so that's kind of nice to see. The stamp sticker thing looks to be the same. Let's see, where's her other one? Right here. They look to be the same. I only have 3 left. Oh, Twilight. Oh, she said I've got to go all the way down. We shouldn't go all the way to the floor. Okay, there we go. Only got 3 left, and we haven't found any other cool ones like Miss Main or Shining Armor. I don't know, but I think that's Scootaloo. Yeah, this is Scootaloo. And this one is pink with the bluish purple glitter in it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Focus, focus. There we go. So we've got 2 of the Scootaloo and 2 of the Diamond Tiara variants. We'll have to put Diamond Tiara under Diamond Tiara and Scootaloo under Scootaloo. And Scootaloo's card is the same. So we'll leave that one in the package. Let's see. Come on. We gotta have somebody good. Oh, we have Miss Main. We got a good one. We got one of the fancy ones. This is the bag with her in it. So it was the middle back row. In case you find these in a store and you're thinking, I'm only going to be able to grab one. I don't like that her card was all like bent and murked in there. I'm guessing it goes like that. There she is. She's got that cool pointed horn, her little necklace and shirt. There's her cutie mark, her tail and mane, and then looks like kind of like a dragon or something, right? This little blue cloud dragon swirling around her. She doesn't want to stand very well. There she is, just by herself, without the dragon thing on her. And then this is the dragon thing by itself. And then here is the card that she came with. Really cool. Oh my gosh, I'm glad we got a good one. Oh, we needed to find one of these special ones, especially since we bought a whole box. Maybe it'll sit like that. There we go. Nice. All right, one last box. I'm kind of hoping Starlight Glimmer, Starlight Glimmer, Shining Armor, Princess Celestia, Princess Luna, or Pinkie Pie. Oh. Ooh, it's Flurry Heart. Well, I mean, that's pretty dang good too. There's Flurry Heart's card. Cute. I'm so sad we didn't get to see like what she became, what she grew up into, you know? Her figure is like pink, but dry brushed in gold. And she's on top of a cloud. I think she's got a teddy bear in her hands. Oh. Cute. So we found one of the specials, which was Miss Main. And then we did find a Flurry Heart. And we got this like goldish pink one right here. Then we did get a Twilight, an Applejack, a Fluttershy, a Rarity, a Scootaloo, a Bonbon or Sweetie Drops, a Diamond Tiara, a Spike. We got a couple of the cards, but we definitely missed out on some characters, which is kind of, aw, man, you know? Yeah, it would have been cool to see Starlight Glimmer. So it looks like we have this one for Flurry Heart. Ooh, that's Brat. Oh, shoot. Oopty scoopty. Turn it down just a little bit, but a little brighter so y'all can see it. There we go. Yeah, it looks like we got this one for Flurry Heart. And then we got the white one of Twilight, no Rainbow Dash, no Pinkie Pie. We got the orange Applejack, the yellow Fluttershy, Rarity, we got the yellow one with glitter in it. Scootaloo, we got the blue one and the pink one with glitter in it. And Bonbon, we got the pink one here in the front. Diamond Tiara, we ended up with pink and the blue with glitter. Spike, we got this really cool jade colored one over here. There's Miss Main with her dragon mist. Really cool. All in all, I think we got some really, really fun characters. I'm glad we got a special one. I was really starting to be like, is this box going to be all regular characters and not a single specialty one? It makes me wonder, if we were to buy another box, what characters would we get, and would there be another special one in it? Is there just like one special one per box? And then I'm guessing like these ones are special because they're clear and glittery, even this one too. And then I would say she's probably special. So these ones that are just flat colors, I would say are like commons. These are probably uncommons. This is probably a rare, and this is probably like an ultra rare. I'm interested to get another box. What do you think? Should we have another box of these and open them and see what other characters we get, see if we can test out that theory and see if we get the same ratio, just different characters? I don't know, there's so many to collect for this. I'm kind of interested in trying again. Especially because we didn't get a Pinkie Pie, we didn't get a Starlight Glimmer, we didn't get a Shining Armor. So I don't know. I'm interested. I would say if this video does really well, if we get a good couple thousand views, you know, a good handful of likes and some comments on it, then I think I'll definitely consider buying them again, because they are like 40-50 bucks a box. So I just want to make sure that it's something that you're really interested in checking out again if you want to see it. Make sure you let me know in the comments too if this is something that you really liked and you want to see another box. Let's get another box and check it out. We'll see what other characters we can get. Well, thanks so much for hanging out today, for watching and checking out all of these cool My Little Pony figures and stamp cards from KAYOU. I found this on AliExpress. If you're not on AliExpress as a My Little Pony collector, checking out the new stuff that's coming out, you're missing out. Check out AliExpress, check out all the fun things that are coming out of China. China is really, really putting the My Little Pony on the market, and they have some wonderful G5, wonderful G4 merchandise out there. And I've got another set of figures from Dinosaur, the ones with Misty, so we're gonna have to open that soon. And I've also got the big Marestream, so that's from Dinosaur, and we're gonna check that out. And I kind of want to see how close is it to the Mini World Magic. Is it just like a re-mold of that and then just different figures? I'm interested. I want to see the scale of it. The box is huge, so we'll be opening those soon as well. And I had a really amazing My Little Pony thrift haul, a really amazing My Little Pony gift that is coming up. So make sure that if we are not friends, you hit that button down below and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to stay up to date on all the My Little Pony fun that we have coming up. And make sure you like this video, comment all your thoughts and opinions on these characters. Who's your favorite? I honestly think Mistmane, because it's really super cool, but I think Spike would be my favorite out of the little figures. Really cute. I love the color, the glitter, and the position that he's in. And it's Spike with wings. That one's pretty cool. All right, well, until next time, everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!